Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook page or business page URL. First, go to facebook.com and log into your account. Then, at the top right, click your profile icon and switch to the page you want to update. Once on your page, click the profile icon again, select Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. From the menu on the left, choose Audience and Visibility, then open Page Setup. Here, you'll see both your page name and username. To change your URL, edit the username. Type in your new username and you'll see a preview of what the new link will look like. Once you're happy with the new username, click Save Changes. Your page URL will update instantly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook page or business page URL. If this video helped, hit the like and subscribe button for more quick guides.